Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're planning camping trips, backyard cookouts, or outdoor grilling and want something easy to carry and heat up fast, this video is for you. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best portable gas grills, chosen for their portability, cooking performance, fuel efficiency, and build quality. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart Steel Gas Grill. Looking for versatile, efficient outdoor cooking designed with genuine portability and performance in mind, the Cuisinart Steel Gas Grill delivers exactly that combination, consistently. Setting up takes less than 10 minutes, requiring absolutely no tools, making it perfect for camping trips, tailgating, or backyard barbecues anywhere you travel. Equipped with 2 stainless steel burners delivering 10,000 BTUs each, it provides ample heat for searing meat or cooking delicate foods evenly throughout cooking sessions. Stainless steel grates ensure even heat distribution and genuine grilling experience despite the compact sizing throughout use. Integrated thermometer and adjustable burner knobs offer precise temperature control, giving flexibility cooking multiple food types simultaneously without complications. Weighing only 22 pounds, it's highly portable with locking lids, folding legs, and convenient carry handles, making transport and storage genuinely simple. Electronic ignition guarantees reliable startup every time. Number 2. Captiva Barbecue Gas Grill. Want large cooking areas combined with high-quality construction? The Captiva Barbecue Gas Grill stands out remarkably well. Main cooking grates are porcelain enameled cast iron, offering benefits of durability and easy cleanup simultaneously for convenience. Heavy-duty grates provide excellent heat retention and distribution, perfect for searing meats while remaining non-stick and rust-resistant consistently. Grill features 4 stainless steel burners with enameled flame tamers, allowing distinct cooking zones for various foods throughout sessions. With 545 square inches total cooking space, including 145 square-inch warming racks, it's ideal for hosting BBQ parties or preparing multiple dishes at once. Full-size pull-out grease trays simplify cleanup by efficiently collecting residue, ensuring grills maintain attractive appearances over time. Additional convenience comes from spacious bottom cabinets, storing utensils, seasonings, or propane tanks, keeping everything organized and accessible throughout use. Number 3. Cuisinart Tailgate Gas Grill. Need portability without sacrificing genuine performance quality? The Cuisinart Tailgate Gas Grill delivers exactly that balance. With 150 square-inch porcelain enameled cooking grates, it accommodates up to 8 burgers, steaks, or chicken breasts, distributing heat evenly for consistent results throughout cooking. Its 5,500 BTU burner provides reliable performance, complemented by twist-to-start ignition and precision temperature gauges, ensuring easy control consistently. At just 17 pounds, measuring 18 by 12 by 11.5, grill is compact enough for balconies, patios, camping trips, or tailgating events anywhere you need it. Folding legs, integrated lid locks, and briefcase-style handles make setup and transport effortless, allowing grilling anywhere with minimal effort or hassle. Cleaning remains simple, thanks to dishwasher-safe grates and spill-resistant drip trays, keeping messes manageable even on the go. Number 4. Megamaster Lid Gas Grill. Looking for durable, portable grills for outdoor enthusiasts valuing convenience and performance? The Megamaster Lid Gas Grill delivers exactly that combination. Constructed with heat-resistant steel frames, it provides long-lasting durability while maintaining sleek appearances throughout extended use. Stainless steel burners deliver 11,000 BTUs of consistent heat, ensuring efficient grilling of meats, vegetables, and favorite foods throughout sessions. Grills offer 360 square inches cooking spaces, providing ample room cooking multiple items simultaneously, making them perfect for backyard gatherings or outdoor events. Foldable legs and locking lids make highly portable, while maintaining stability during use consistently and safely. Porcelain steel fireboxes help grills reach high temperatures quickly for fast, efficient cooking whenever needed. Built-in removable grease trays simplify cleanup by collecting drippings and residue, keeping everything manageable throughout the year. Number 5. Charbroil Convective Gas Grill. Want compact, efficient grills designed specifically for convenience and versatility? The Charbroil Convective Gas Grill delivers exactly that approach perfectly. Operating on liquid propane, it offers reliable heat for cooking varieties of foods anywhere in backyards, patios, or camping settings throughout the year. Its 190 square-inch porcelain-coated cooking grates provide even heat distribution, remaining rust-resistant and easy to clean throughout extended use. Steel construction with high-temperature finishes enhance durability and protect against corrosion, extending lifespans significantly over time. Despite small sizes, grills offer ample cooking spaces for meals measuring 15-inch H by 24.1-inch W by 12.3-inch D, making them suitable for families or small gatherings. Minimal assembly is required with step-by-step instructions included, allowing quick grilling without frustration or unnecessary complications. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best portable gas grills. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more honest reviews on outdoor gear, kitchen gadgets, and cooking tools. Thanks for watching Tech Talk Reviews. See you in the next one.